Sziasztok, hi everyone, I'm Sándor, welcome to another Hungarian lesson. Let's see how to say handsome in Hungarian. I think it's pretty interesting. So, handsome in Hungarian is jóképű. Jóképű. I'm pretty sure all of you know that jó means good, and kép means picture. So, jóképű literally means good pictured. I know this phrase doesn't make any sense in English, but that's what it literally means. But if I look at it objectively, it doesn't make any sense in Hungarian either. But the word kép can sometimes also refer to someone's face. I wouldn't even call it a slang term because it's been around for ages. Most of the time we use arc. Arc, which actually means face. But here are a couple of expressions where we refer to someone's face as kép. For example, miért vágsz ilyen savanyú képet? Miért vágsz ilyen savanyú képet? This literally means, why do you cut such a sour picture? Or, since we've established that kép sometimes can also mean face, it means, why do you cut such a sour face? Actually, it means, why do you make such a sour face? This can be used when someone is sad or visibly upset about something. Or a more slangish term, nem bírom a képed. Nem bírom a képed. It literally means, I can't bear your picture. Or, again, I can't bear your face. More naturally, I don't like your face. Even more naturally, I don't like you. That's what it actually means. This is quite rude, although I wouldn't necessarily call it offensive. But if a person says this to you, that person really doesn't like you for sure. Or take this for example. Van bőr a képén. Van bőr a képén. It means he or she has skin on his or her face. It basically means he or she has the audacity. Usually we use an infinitive after this, like van bőr a képén idejönni. Van bőr a képén idejönni. He has the audacity to come here. It basically means that someone has a thick skin on his face, but the meaning is a little bit different than in English. It doesn't really mean that someone is not easily hurt by criticism and things like that. It just means that someone completely disregards others, and is usually morally corrupted. Let's say you've lent quite a bit of money to someone, and it's already been 6 months, but he hasn't paid you back. And then he shows up at your door and asks for more money. You could ask, és még van bőr a képeden több pénzt kérni tőlem? És még van bőr a képeden több pénzt kérni tőlem? Which roughly means, and you still have skin on your face asking for more money from me? More naturally, and you still have the audacity to ask for more money from me? But going back to jóképű. This phrase literally means good-faced. In other words, handsome. You can only use this for males. You can never call a woman jóképű. But sometimes we use it for items as well, like jóképű póló. Jóképű póló. It means a nice shirt. Or jóképű ház. Jóképű ház. A nice house. So you could say, Sándor egy jóképű férfi. Sándor egy jóképű férfi. Sándor is a handsome man. Which is not true if you're talking about me, but I'm not the only Sándor in Hungary. There are many handsome Sándors in Hungary. Thank you for studying with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe. And if you feel like supporting the channel even more, my PayPal information is in the description. See you in the next lesson. Sziasztok! A viszontlátásra!